Hello guys, so what's up? This is a video for because of I'm making videos in different environments. So this is for season two. We've done the season one, and I just get to go in. So this is to spin the wheel, which you need 0.5 Metis. I won't be spinning any wheel. Uh, so the next thing is we have to do Enki, okay? So we'll come over to Enki. We have three tasks to do: stake, stake, stake. So we're gonna start now. All right. So this is the site, okay? So it's nice. So the first thing we're gonna do is just connect our wallet. Hopefully we have enough message for this. I don't know. It's not detecting my MetaMask. That's very strange. One minute. All right, a little reload. A little reload did the work. So just connect my MetaMask. I'm going to connect mine. All right. So after connecting, the first thing we have to do is to stake Metis into eMetis. Okay. So I'm going to come over to make a stake. I'm going to stake Metis to eMetis. Okay. Let me see. I need to manage my metrics. I barely have enough. So let's do 0.01. Click on mint and stake. I understand. I understand. Approve. So we're going to stake metis to emetis. That's what we're on now. Alright, after approving, we just click on mint and stake. That's it. Wait for the transaction to confirm. That shouldn't take too long, I guess. Alright, so after minting, just before the e-message to arrive, I don't know, it's taking a bit of time. So I'm just gonna wait for that. So after meeting will come over to stake. We're gonna stake the e-message. Waiting for it to. Alright guys, so I figure out what happened. Okay. So what happened is we minted and staked. Okay, so that's what we did. Mint and stake. Which means we do the two at the same time. So if you come over here, um give this some time to reload. Okay, it says in progress. So we stake e-message into SE Metis. We must take Metis into E Metis. Okay, let's do that. So now stick Metis into E Metis. Okay, Stake Metis into Metis. Can I fall? Alright guys, sorry, I'm under the water. Let me take away. So next we want to go to the next step. Alright guys, so the mistake we made was we clicked on mint and stake. Okay, so we have to click on mint. Okay, so that's the reason why the first tax did not. I'm going to do 0.05 and I'm going to click on mint. Okay. Alright. Alright, so now we've done the right thing by minting. So now we can now stake. Okay, which is what we asked to do before. So now we can now stake e-metis. Oh no, that's it. Stake metis to e-metis. Now we have to stake 10 key to vest e-metis. So we're going to go to first set. So take note, the mistake I made at the beginning was I was supposed to click on mint, okay? Not to mint and stake. So that's it. So I'm going to come back to first set. Um, basically, I believe that the mint and stake is supposed to work, but for some reason, I don't know, the tax is not verified. Just verified now. So thank you to rest. So let's come over here. I'm going to select thank you. Okay. I'm going to click on click. Home command not allowed. Fuse to memory, max memory. Why is it giving me this error? I just mail. Let's see if it just giving error. Maybe that's worked or not. I don't know. So we'll come back to stake. It is not a network I really like. So here we have so the egg key has not been sent. Let's go back to the faucet and try again. Thank you. Confirm email machine identity verification. Great. Confirm. Same error. I'm going to the Telegram channel. Link. Alright, I need to sort out the faucet issue. So when you get the faucet anyway, just come over here. Okay, just take page down here. Okay, so N key 0.1 and you stick it. That's all. The last task will verify. I feel like this task have more SP because the SP I've gotten so far is more than what is listed here. So as you guys done and dusted, I guess.